Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to use a Maytag washer. This will be a full tutorial and I will be going over all of the steps for using a Maytag washer. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is the specific Maytag washer that I will be demonstrating this tutorial on, but they all work in a very similar manner, so you can probably take these instructions and apply them to your own Maytag washer with just a few simple changes, or they might work directly with your washer. Let's get right into the video. So this is obviously a smart washer because it connects to Wi-Fi and you can use it with your Wi-Fi, okay? But we're not going to go over the smart specific settings just because that's going to be very different from each specific Maytag washer, okay? But we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn it on with the power button, okay? Now, once you've turned it on, you're going to use this dial to select the wash cycle that you want. And each wash cycle is going to be geared towards specific types of clothing and specific types of soils that you're putting in there. So you can see we have the normal and regular, we have heavy duty, and things change on the screen there every time you change it. We have whites, okay, which took off the extra power. As you saw, it's not illuminated now. We have towels, which turned on the extra power again. So let's say we wanted to do towels, for instance. Actually, let's just say, for the sake of argument, to keep it simple, we wanted to do a normal load. So I have it set on normal/regular right now. You select your cycle. Now on this one, you can turn on or off the extra power. So extra power is on right now. If I push the button, it's going to turn it off and it's going to change the setting ever so slightly. Let's leave it on, okay? Now on this screen right here, on some washers, you're going to have knobs that make these adjustments, but on most modern washers, especially the smart washers like this one, you're going to have buttons and a digital screen. So as you can see right here, we can actually change the spin speed. So if I hit the spin button, it can be fast or off, okay? Fast or off. Very simple. Let's leave it at fast. We can change the temperature by pushing the temperature button. Cold, cool, warm, hot, tap cold. Let's leave it at cold. So it kind of goes from, coldest to warmest, basically. From the coldest setting to the hottest setting. We can also change the soil level. So we can make it a normal load, a heavy load, an extra heavy load if we had lots of clothing in there. Extra light, light, or normal. Let's pretend we had a heavy load right over here. Okay, now as you saw, the time changed. So let's say I wanted to do extra heavy. It's actually going to adjust. So you can see it added a few more minutes. It's going to adjust how long it's going to take because it takes longer to fill for an extra heavy load and stuff like that, and to drain, right? So it adjusts the time, okay? Sorry about that sound coming from the drain over there. Then you have your options. So you have options on the left side over here, and I'm not going to click these ones, but you have your deep fill option, your fabric softener, and then your remote enable, which is your Wi-Fi connection. And then you have options over here. So I can turn my cycle signal at low, medium, high, or off. Let's leave it at low, okay? So you can change what it sounds like when it's done. You can turn on or off your extra rinse, just like that, okay? And you can even turn on a delay start. Let's turn the extra rinse, let's leave it off actually. You can even turn on a delay start, which is fantastic because if you wanted it to start at a later time, that will work as well. When you're ready to start the washer, as you can see right here, it shows a play and a pause button. It says hold to start. So you can press and hold that button down and the cycle will start. Obviously make sure your clothing is in there, and also make sure that you've added your detergent, which goes in this drawer right here. You can see it says HE detergent, which is high efficiency detergent, and your fabric softener goes right over there. Let's close that up. So make sure you add in your detergent, make sure you close the lid like that, and then you would hold down that button to start the cycle, okay? You can also press that button to pause it at specific points in the cycle. And when it's done and it's finished and you want to turn it off, you push this button over here, the power button, and it turns off just like that. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.